luxury is being redefined right here on the Alabama Gulf Coast. Find amazing Phoenix Key condos for sale with Brian Pugh of Brett Robinson Real Estate. This unique low-density Gulf front condominium located in Orange Beach, Alabama, stands 26 stories tall and 3 units wide. Inside, you'll find spacious floor plans with top-of-the-line appointments, which you can customize during pre-construction. Amazing balcony water views from glassed paneled railings, 5 levels of garage parking, and a 6th floor with a heated lazy river that circles around the building are just a few of the over-the-top extras. A major factor that's driven people to buy Phoenix Key condos for sale is the exceptional quality and strength of a solid poured-in-place concrete building. Buying pre-construction Phoenix Key condos for sale at wholesale pricing directly from the developer is better than money in the bank. The 5-bedroom corner units and 4 interior units are selling fast. Financing is available, so get started today by visiting BrettRobinsonRealEstate.com or call Brian Pugh at 251-236-8811.